Welcome back. In this video, we'll tackle the common frustration of guessing variable values while coding. I'll show you a simple Python fstring feature that prints both the variable name and its value instantly. No more extra print statements or manual formatting. Let's dive in. Python 3.8 introduced the fstring equals sign syntax. By writing value equals, the interpreter automatically expands to value equals 42. It works with any expression, saving time and keeping output consistent. Here's a quick demo. We define a function that calculates total and average. Then we print both using the fstring equals syntax. Running it shows total equals 6, average equals 2.0, confirming the variables without extra typing. Use this feature primarily during development or debugging sessions. It's great for quick checks, but remember that fstring formatting still incurs a tiny overhead, so avoid leaving many of them in performance-critical production code. To recap, the fstring equals syntax instantly prints variable names and values, reduces manual errors, and speeds up debugging. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Python tips, and check the description for resources.